In today's video, I'm comparing two of the most popular at-home microcurrent beauty devices, the DermRays Fusion Glow and the Ziip Beauty Halo. I personally used both, and I'll be sharing my honest experience, highlighting features, pros, cons, prices, and who I recommend each device for. And I'm going to be sharing with you before and afters of each treatment. So let's dive in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jody Lynn, and I talk about ways to take care of the skin with a good skincare routine, SPF daily, and the help of beauty devices. I didn't start my skincare routine until I was about 47 years of age, and now I'm 53. I do not go in office for anything, and I feel like I've made great changes in my skin. So please follow me. We're skincare junkies over here and beauty device junkies, and I'm hoping to help you so that you can stay out of the office if that's something that you're trying to do. Okay, so let's talk about what they are and what they do. The Ziip Beauty Halo is a smart microcurrent and nanocurrent device. It's designed to lift, tone, and rejuvenate your skin. It works with a companion app that offers guided treatments, which I love. If you have been following me, you know that this has been my favorite microcurrent device for years. The DermRays Fusion Glow is a multi-functional facial toning device. It combines microcurrent, EMS, electroporation, also deep cleansing, and more. It's designed to deliver salon-grade treatments at home. So let's compare modes and features. When we're talking about the Ziip Beauty Halo, it has microcurrent, nanocurrent. It also has red light therapy, which is very limited, but it is there. It also has a guided app. Now, you do not need the app. There is one treatment that you can use without the app, and it's the Instant Lift, and it is a 4-minute treatment. And you are just doing this 2 minutes on this side and 2 minutes on this side. But all of the other treatments, you do need the app. So just kind of keep that in mind. On this device also, there is no electroporation, no deep clean, and no adjustable intensities. I also want to make note, not only are there many different treatment plans in the app, like there is a jowl lifting, there is a founder's favorite, which is just nanocurrent. There is also plans. If you're kind of like, I'm not really sure how to put all of these treatment plans together, she has in her app plans, and there are several different plans in there. I love the plans. It just takes the guesswork out of it. You just know every day what it is that you're doing. All right, let's talk about the DermRays Fusion Glow. This has microcurrent. It's more like EMS, okay, electric muscle stimulation. And what I mean by that is that you're going to feel it more. It's a little bit more intense. You will feel some microcurrent on this as well, but this one is definitely more intense. There are 3 intensity levels on this one as well. Just kind of keep that in mind. The low intensity of a 1 is pretty light, and you're just going to kind of feel like this. But if you go into the microcurrent with the 3 intensity, you're definitely going to be feeling some stimulation on the face. So I want you to just keep that in mind. It also has electroporation, and it also has deep clean mode, and it also has red light therapy, and the intensities are adjustable. This is going to do the face, and this, if you just turn it around, this is going to be the microcurrent for underneath the eyes. So I love that. This is a different waveform. And I have been talking about this for so many years when we're talking about microcurrent, like the new face. You should not be using a high intensity microcurrent on the under eye area as well as around the mouth, because you don't want them twitching, okay? Because you want to relax this area. So you want this to be very, very light. You actually want it to relax and kind of stretch out a little bit. It's already tense. Do you see what I'm saying? So all of these wrinkles around this area and this area and this area are more tense. So you don't want to tense them with microcurrent or even EMS. This area you do because you want to work on those larger muscles. So that's always been my biggest complaint about the NeoFace and other microcurrent devices out there. And that's why I love this device as well. You can use this underneath the eye, on the forehead, around the mouth. There are different waveforms and that nanocurrent as well. And it's the same with this. So you just Flip this over and it has the eye treatment. That is the fourth treatment of this mode. And you can also use it around the mouth, which is what I really like to use this treatment for. There is no app, but it's intuitive. So you just know that you're just kind of going like this. Up and out is really what you want to do with this device. And there is no nanocurrent, which we'll talk about in just a minute on this device. I want to be clear that you cannot change the intensity levels on any of the treatments on the Ziip Halo. Okay, so just make note of that. So let's talk about some price comparison. They're very similar. Ziip Beauty is around $395. I do have 10% or 10%, sometimes 15% off, just depending on the time of year. But right now I think it's 10%. And that is, I will list the code right here. The DermRays Fusion Glow is around $489. And you get $130 off with Jody Lynn 130 if that is something that you are interested in. So prices may vary with sales or bundles, but just kind of keep that in mind. I also want to kind of touch base on the difference between microcurrent and electroporation. There is a lot of people that discuss how microcurrent can also penetrate products deeper into the skin. However, it's not like electroporation. It's not the main function. So microcurrent uses low-level electrical currents that mimic your body's bioelectricity. It stimulates facial muscles, boosts circulation, and energizes your skin. Yes, it can slightly enhance product penetration, but only by improving circulation and temporary cell permeability, okay? It does not open pathways in the skin like electroporation does. So I just want to be very clear on that. So let me give you kind of an analogy. Microcurrent is like a personal trainer for your face. It gets things moving and glowing, but it doesn't deliver the ingredients. Electroporation technology uses short bursts of high voltage electricity, and it creates microscopic openings in cell membranes, temporarily allowing larger molecules like peptides, hyaluronic acid, and other vitamins to penetrate deeper into the skin. It's a needle-free alternative to mesotherapy, if you kind of know what mesotherapy is. So one of the most effective non-invasive delivery methods out there, and also doctors have been using electroporation for years to penetrate certain drugs into the skin, which is better for product penetration, hands down, electroporation. Microcurrent is great for lifting and circulation. I mean, if you can, I think combining both is going to be great in your skincare routine, and electroporation can definitely boost up your skincare game because you're penetrating those products deeper into the skin. You're going to want to use electroporation first to get those ingredients into the skin, and then follow with microcurrent for lifting and circulation. All right, let's talk about some pros and some cons. The Ziip Beauty, lightweight, travel friendly. It's super light, as you can see. It has app-guided routines. The nanocurrent is really wonderful on this device, and that is great for long-term cellular health. So microcurrent, it also can be long-term as well, but microcurrent is really like, it's great for that quick, nice lift kind of instantly. And nanocurrent also can be great for long-term cellular health. And pairing nanocurrent with microcurrent together, and using them consistently can just really give you great skin as well. So there are multiple treatment plans, takes the guesswork out of everything. Cons of this device, there's no adjustable intensity if that is something that you want to do. Fewer modes are compared to the DermRays as well. So not as many modes, but there's a ton of treatment plans, and there are also plans over a certain amount of time. So let's talk about the DermRays Fusion Glow. Some pros and cons. It's multifunctional. It has the deep clean ZMS electroporation, has adjustable intensities. It's great for product penetration. It does feel salon grade. Quality on this one is definitely heavier, but it feels more substantial. But it is bulkier, as you can see. So no app or guided videos are necessary for this at all. And also this has like all of the modalities that I think is a major plus and makes it feel like a salon grade. Like you're doing everything except for radio frequency. I wish that they had a radio frequency. That's one of my cons of this device. I think this would make it is all that you need. Let's talk about time frame because I forgot to talk about that. The treatments start anywhere from 2 minutes and go, I think, up to the maybe 15 minutes, which is the all-inclusive, where she does everything, the eyes, the jowls, everything. It's a great treatment. But there's many that are 5, 4 minutes. If you just take this out of the box, it's 4 minutes and don't use the app. This, you're going to be using each mode for about 4 minutes. So depending on what it is that you're doing, deep cleanse, about 4 minutes, so you're like basically doing 2 minutes and 2 minutes. So let's talk about my experience. With the Ziip, I love the compact design and I love the app. Super easy to travel with. I love the nanocurrent. It really does give a lasting glow over time. It's something you have to be consistent with. All beauty devices, though, you have to be consistent with. The DermRays Fusion it's a beast. It deep cleans. It has electroporation. The modes are amazing. The electroporation I actually use daily with my doctor medicine. You could use it with your copper peptides. I would suggest using it with peptides, hyaluronic acid, something that's not going to irritate the skin. Growth factors are also a great thing to use electroporation with.
Wanted to share with you some before and after photos of each treatment. So let's take a look at the DermRays. The before photo is before I did all of the modes. So this is the same day. And the after photo is after I did the deep cleaning, the electroporation, the EMS, and the eye mode. And then the Ziip is their 15-minute all-inclusive treatment that has their lift as well as their nanocurrent. So I think that you can see they're very similar, and I feel that I've got, pretty good skin. I'm 54 years old, and I've been using microcurrent and radio frequency and a good skincare routine over 5 years now. But I just wanted to give you kind of the instant effects of each treatment to kind of just give you an idea. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Okay, so if you're looking for a microcurrent device, which one would you buy? So this is kind of what I've come up with. Choose the Ziip if you want something light, simple, love app-guided routines, value nanocurrent skincare benefits, and you travel often. Choose the DermRays if you want stronger multimodal treatments, want deeper product penetration, like customizing intensities, and don't mind bulkier devices. So my final thoughts, both are amazing in their own way. The Ziip is like a sleek hybrid car, smart, efficient, and user-friendly. The DermRays is a full-blown electric vehicle packed with features and power. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle and goals. And don't forget to let me know if you've tried these. If you have any questions about these devices, I would love to know. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you do not miss my upcoming videos. Until next time.